ଦର୍ଶକ ବନ୍ଧୁ ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅ ବୋହୂ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ ମନ୍ଦିର ଦର୍ଶନ କରିବାକୁ ଆଣିକି ଛାଡ଼ି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଗୋଟେ ବୃଦ୍ଧାଶ୍ରମରେ।
My name is S. Kalyani. I was working as a teacher. They just told me, as you have seen Lord Venkateshwar, we will show you Jagannath. Thinking that they will take me to Jagannath, my daughter-in-law and my son, I thought they're taking to my daughter. This is the cot. From now onwards, you will stay here. What about Jagannath? Forget about it.
Who told?
My son. He just went off to America. My daughter-in-law went off to her house.
Okay.
So from that day, I am here. In the night, about 9 o'clock, my son phones up. Mommy, how are you? Did you eat? How is the...
Everyday call. Every
Not every day like. Whenever he thinks. But I'll be waiting for his call. No.
Why?
Never. I thought I will go. He just told Mommy, I am going to America. What about me? You will stay in the ashram. Then he used to tell my daughter-in-law, जरा जाके मम्मी को देखो. What Shravan? Like a small boy, you are so much attached to your mommy. मम्मी को क्या देखना? It's an ashram. टाइम से खाती, टाइम से पीती और कपड़े भी मिल रहा. और क्या होना तुम्हारा मम्मी को? And you are telling me go and see mommy. Never she comes. Once in full moon, new moon, she comes, attends and goes off.
आपके डॉक्टर इन लॉ यहाँ पे रोज रेगुलर नहीं आते हैं?
No. Only if my son phones up, then only my daughter-in-law tells, क्या है तुम्हारा मम्मी को? As if she's suffering with some disease or anything. टाइम से खाती, टाइम से पीती, बस. What is less for her? Why should I go and see?
आपको मन है कि वहाँ पे आपके घर में जाने के लिए?
Yeah.
आपके हस्बैंड के बारे में बताइए, क्या करते थे वो?
He was friendly with my uncle. My husband, there are two brothers. He just told my uncle, he works in the police department. If you have anybody in your eye, girl, I and my brother want to marry you. So that time, he had, his brother had 5 girls. The 8 children, 3 boys and 5 girls. He never thought of giving the girl to anybody. I don't know why, I don't know. He just told my sister, why don't we give of Kalyani? Kalyani was granted for everything. Never they thought of asking Kalyani whether you are going to get married. Marriage. Here only, in Orissa only he died. He came, he also stayed in one room and he died in Orissa only.
Okay. वो यहाँ पे जॉब करते थे?
No, job, he was not. They just told me he is working this, that and all. Only this fooled me. Actually, oh, this distribution, that film distribution is all humbug. Only I was working, I was maintaining the house.
बट अभी आपका लड़के आपके साथ उतना अटैच नहीं है, आपके लड़के?
No, no, no. My son was little bit attached. My daughter also.
व्हाट अबाउट योर डॉटर?
Daughter also the same way. I one Brahmin fellow came. Paper advertisement. No, he came. I am a Brahmin. I am interested to get married to your daughter. When he told I am a Brahmin, sorry, we are not Brahmins. We eat non-veg also.
Yes.
He also told, if you don't mind, even though I am a Brahmin, I also eat non-veg. So whenever he comes to my house, I prepare non-veg for him.
Okay.
So I don't know how long that Brahmin this thing is there.
आपके डॉक्टर को मालूम है कि आप यहाँ पर रहते हो बोलते?
That only I don't know where she is and where I am. No connection.
आपके बेटी के साथ बात नहीं होता है? आप अपने बेटे को नहीं बोलते हैं बेटी को बात करवाइए बोल के?
No, no, no. He is dead against my daughter.
योर सन? Why?
I don't know. I don't know what is the. They both. My daughter also doesn't like my son.
Okay. Your daughter-in-law. What she is doing?
She is also working
In which place?
in a call center.
Okay.
Call center.
वो यहाँ आती है आपको देखने के लिए?
No.
घर से आई वो कटक में रहती है?
Correct.
कुछ खाना वगैरह कभी भेजती है आपके पास?
No, no. Whereas when in Andhra Pradesh, when they were in Hyderabad and Secunderabad, she herself tells my son, Shravan, tell your mommy to cook food. Oh, mommy, I want fish, I want prawn, I want this, I want that. I'll tell you, every day it demands something, and I used to go and no financial help, nothing of that sort, everything A to Z. And I used to take the tiffin, go. In spite, my daughter-in-law was in her parents' house. When she can send for food for you and for me, why can't she send food for my parents? Then I lost my temper. There's a limit for everything.
Yes.
You, I don't mind, you're my son. Daughter-in-law, okay. But to their parents also, and you know that I am working as a teacher, and it is a convent school,
Yes.
very strict like, and I am very punctual like. I hardly take. Then I stopped. Now also, mommy, you forgot cooking. I don't have chance. This ashram is not my house.
Yeah.
Whatever they cook, I eat.
Yes. You like foods? Any complaint?
No. Even the complaint is there. To whom to tell?
Yes.
All are Oriya. And I hardly know Oriya, nor I can. I only, as I talk in English, can I complain to them? I don't like this, I don't like that. When y'all are eating, I should eat.
आपको आपके बेटे का बचपन याद आता है?
नेचुरली, नेचुरली।
कैसे लगता है? ऐसे ही आप उसको मतलब शिक्षा दिए थे?
नो नो नो, आई डोंट नो व्हाई ही चेंज्ड। नो, आई डाउट। ही इज बिग इनफ and I coached him up.
सॉरी?
I coached him,
हाँ, पॉजिटिव।
gave the education,
ओके।
and I used to see how he is studying and all. When I know A to Z, I can't say he got spoiled just because of my daughter-in-law.
आपका कोई पोता पोती है?
Ah, one daughter-in-law, daughter,
डॉक्टर,
granddaughter.
ग्रैंड, उसके साथ मुलाकात होता है?
No, no, no. When she was born or when she was walking, that time I know. But now I don't know. I hope she knows that I am here.
What is the name of your son?
Shravan,
Daughter-in-law?
Nupur,
What? Nupur? Nupur? Surname?
I don't know.
आपके पति का याद आता है? दुख होता है?
Naturally.
आपके रिश्तेदार लोग आंध्र प्रदेश में रहते हैं,
Hmm.
उन लोगों के पास जाने के लिए मन करता है?
No. They used to tell my husband, from where you searched Kalyani? Why? No. A to Z she sees to the your finance, your son's education, your daughter-in-law, and कल घर चलाती है. The relations come also. They just want to know we want another Kalyani. Oh, sorry, she's only girl. She don't have any sisters or.
ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच मैम।
Thank you.
दर्शक बंधु, ये शुणुले आप कल्याणी मैडम को। या घर हूँ आंध्र प्रदेश, ताको पुओ अमेरिका रे चाकरी करती, बोहू कटक माने पुओ हूँ आंध्र प्रदेश रो, बोहू हूँ कटक ओडिया झील। हेले दुर्भाग्यर विषय दर्शक बंधु, ताको पुओ बोहू तांको जगन्नाथ मंदिर दर्शन करवाकू आनिकी छाड़ी देइछन्ति गोटे वृद्धाश्रम। सी एठी ओडिया जेहेतु जानी नाहंती, अल्प अल्प हिंदी जानिचंती, सी कहा संगे एठी फ्रीली कथा ही पारु नाहंती। एठी ताको पुओ बोहू प्रायतः ताको पुओ तांको संगे मझिरे मझिरे फोन रे राति 9टा बेलू कथा कहती, सी माउसी जहाँ कहवा कथा सी गोटे प्रकार कहले आज्ञा एठी मु कंप्लेन करी तो क्या कंप्लेन करी, कहीं एठी बुझा लोक नहांती, मो लैंग्वेज बुझा लोक नहांती। जेहेतु मु ए जगार अच्छी मु क्या कौन कंप्लेन करी, मत ये सब भल लगुच। किंतु कौटी ना कौटी माउसी संगे कथा ही लगिला सी ए जगार गोटे अणनिश्वासी होकर अच्छा। अणनिश्वासी एथिपाई नुहे जे तांकु एठी रहिया व्यवस्था नहीं किंबा खाइबार असुविधा, सेमती किसी असुविधा नहीं। केवल गोटे लोक आप चिंता करूँ आज्ञा, जार भाषा हूँ तेलुगु, तांकु आनिकिनी गोटे जगार रखी दि जाऊँगी जो जगार केवल ओडिया लोक मैंने अच्छा। सी तांकर निजर मनर कौन प्रतिक्रिया किंबा भाव क्या सागर आदान करने ना, जगन्नाथ को दर्शन करने आनी पुओ बोटी छाड़ी देइछन्ति। मासिक 3000 टंका पठाउछन्ति, किंतु देखा प्रायतः कहीं एठिकी आसुना। कौन कहे एमती पुओ बोहू मान, प्लीज दयाकोरी कमेंट रे कहिबे। आउ एतिकी रिक्वेस्ट करिवे, निज माँ बापांकर जो अवदान रही आम जीवन प्रति तांकु टिके शेष समय पर्यंत शांति रखा चेष्टा करेंगे। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।